2005 Ram Pickup 3500. The Ram 3500 heavy-duty lineup features some of the most powerful trucks available. It comes with a lot of power, features, and capabilities. Its functional design and interior comforts make it the perfect truck for work or play, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, rear-wheel drive, dual rear wheels, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.